how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video of Retro Vlogs. I'm Retro, and today we are on the Black Duck again. We got our ready last video. If you guys didn't check out last video, go check it out here. We got it ready. We got some new wheel setup on it, a brand new, well, not, I say brand new, but it's not really brand new, it's I reused my Sprocket from my old bike, so now we have a longer gear ratio, aka, you know, less torque, but more, what's it called, more topping. But yeah, to the point of today's video, today we are going to a store called Winn-Dixie, and we are picking up some goodies. We are picking up something that I'm gonna get someone for Christmas, and I get some ramen noodles for my brother. So sorry about the uploads, guys. The upload schedule is pretty bad. I have, again, I say this over and over again, it's kind of boring at this point, but it's school, it's life in general, that's a lot of things that, you know, get in the way and whatever, and I'm really trying to, you know, get these videos out there. And if you have, I'm pretty sure you guys have noticed how they've been slowing down. It's not me quitting or anything, it's just, you know, I just haven't been able to get to them. But yeah, the Black Duck is fine, guys. Not the Black Duck, I keep calling the Black Duck. The Black Pepper is fine and all. She's doing great, I'm doing great. We're just chilling. I just haven't had much time on me, you know. Speaking of Black Pepper, I went and finally got to change the gas on it. So I finally put an actual good gas on it. So it still force-works a little bit, but like when you gas it, it doesn't. So now this is just a tuning problem. It has to do with I believe what tunes that, it has to be the main jet or something like that. I don't know. I'll go search up about it. If you guys can help me out with that, it'd be really cool. But yeah, it just force-works to mid, like just giving it half throttle. But when you floor it, or you know, give it full throttle, it's fine. So yeah, that's what I was going with this bike today, guys. Anywho. For any new subscriber, subscribers, I used to not upload this bad, like have this bad of an upload schedule. It just all happened when school started. Clearly, obviously, I was doing online school in the beginning, and you know I didn't have to worry about that. Speaking of that, December 13th is actually when I uploaded or started my channel. I think I started my channel, or uploaded. I think I uploaded my first video on the channel yesterday, and all I have to say about that, guys, is I appreciate every single person who ever clicked or ever even thought about, like, you know, checking out the channel. Again, like I say a lot, I'm just about to be 17-year-old kid with a little bit of what we call BC Motos, a little motorized bike that I built in a year. And yeah, man, I really appreciate all the support, you know, you guys. Like, it sounds, again, cliche as how I get it, but I really do. Just seeing that number 3.7K on my most popular video, like 3,700 people looked at my video. That's crazy, and within a year. Like on these little bikes, like I'm actually amazed at that, you know. And I really appreciate you guys for doing so and checking out my stuff. There's way more to come, guys, so don't you worry about it. I just gotta get to it, and hopefully in this winter break I don't have to worry about so much school, you know. And we can get to uploading videos just like we used to. But anywho, I have a subscriber goal for 300. So, if you don't know what that means is, but at the start of this year I said we're gonna get 300 subscribers before the end of the year. We are coming in super close. I have 288 right now, and I'm just 12 away, 12 or 13, I don't know. I'm just 12 away, I think, from having the goal. I mean, even if the guy, even if someone doesn't even like motorcycles or anything, you know, tell them to check out my channel. I really would appreciate if we got to that goal before the year ends, and it'd really be amazing, you know, guys. So go subscribe if you guys are new, and consider checking out my stuff some more. Oh, what the hell is that? Okay, well, they just killed an elf. Anywho, I need to get my old mirrors back on this thing, because I'm having to turn back all the time, which is, you know, better than just relying on nothing, but I mean, better than relying on mirrors sometimes. But let me see. Yeah, there's no one passing, so let's get out of here. thing sounds like absolute trash. Meanwhile, I'm on this Ford can of a motorized bike. Hey yo! I thought this thing was dying. Not being guys, man.
We're gonna do this one, guys.
I'm not talking to the girl about
This one, ramen. Huh. This place seems very familiar. You know, it's not like. Well, I'll say that for the end of the video. Stick to the end of the video, so I know what I'm about to say. Hey, Siri, call Ed Boy.
Calling Ed Boy. Mobile.
Nice.
Eddie.
Hello?
Yo, do you want teriyaki or do you want like normal chicken?
Teriyaki.
Teriyaki? Alright, so I'll get you like how much? You hear me?
Bruh.
Are you joking? How much teriyaki should I get you?
Like, how much are they? How much is these one?
They're like each one $1.
Bro, just give me like 5 or 6.
5.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, Dad's calling me, alright?
Alright, sure. Go ahead. Bye. This kid's just said 5. This is my money we're talking about, by the way. This is all my money. You said 5. Smoking, bro. Alright guys, now fast forward a couple of minutes because the Winn-Dixie machine, the little cashier machine broke. Cause you know, why not? It's always gonna happen. You know, this is starting to piss me off, this little bag. I don't think I'm gonna carry it on the bike as we start rolling. But this is the, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what I have. I have the thing in the little bag and fit it as best as I can. It's not fitting completely, but I feel like it's enough. Alright guys, let's go. I don't want to move too much and blow this shit up, but I mean make this thing fall, but I'm gonna have to do a bump start. So here we go. Shit.
Perfect.
We got started, guys. Alright, we got started, guys. Alright, let's go home. Woo! We got started, boys. Let's go home. Look at this traffic, guys. I have one leg out, by the way. I don't have both legs on the... This is about to be the most uncomfortable ride ever. Guys, This is actually the most uncomfortable time I've ever been on this bike. On top, that's on top of it being the most dangerous thing I've done on this bike yet. Look at this guy coming on. Never mind. I've never not had so much balance on this bike. Like this, I feel so unbalanced. My legs are already starting to hurt. Oh my god, this is a really bad idea. But your boy's gonna do it. Yo, Retro is gonna do this shit, bro. I am doing this. I'm doing this, bro. I'm going all the way home with this little like flask thing on my stomach, kind of with some ramen and a helmet on, and one foot off the fucking other peg. Bro, I'm going crazy. This is actually so sketch. Like you can tell from the beginning of the video, my mood's changed quite a bit. This is actually so sketch, and I don't want to stall this bike because if I stall it, it's up for me. So it's like, that's clutch control right there. That right there is fucking clutch control, boys. Woo! Hell yeah, that's clutch control. All right, let me just, you know, chill a little bit. Probably not stall at the same time. That'd be nice. We have 6 seconds for what? To cross over here? Yes, sir. Come on, please, no one behind him. Yes, sir. Everything's going my way right now. I'm sorry, clutch. I had to do it. Oh my god, I just burnt the shit out of this clutch. Oh, this is so bad. Oh shit. Ooh, that's bad. The train's coming. Are you kidding me? Well, I guess we get to watch the train, boys. Look at it go! Oh my god, I think it's fast. Oh my god. Yo, that's actually pretty fast. I actually thought they were way slower. Trains always look like they're going super slow, but they're not. They're flying. All right, boys, we out of here. You know, maybe this would have been better with the other Sprocket, because there's a lot more of a torquier Sprocket. Didn't have to give it too much gas, but I mean, hey, screw it. I don't want to get too much speed here. Thank you, you understand. All right, let's go. Come on, no one turn in. Okay, cool. We're chilling. Yo, chill. Don't turn in, please. I should probably go chill out a little bit. Bro, look at him. I hate that, bro. I hate fucking people like that, man. Damn. My legs are cramping already. Well, not already. We've gone through a good bit of the thing. Is that a stop sign? I didn't see one.
Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Alright. At this point, it's just, I think, a lot more simpler now. I think I just gotta go straight, hit a left, but my leg cannot anymore. I'm gonna have to put my leg down a little bit at least. Please, no one come. No one come. No one come. Oh my God, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. No one came. Alright, we got close. We're getting close. We're getting way closer. And it's ramen. My brother, he's not my editor. My brother better fucking like hug the shit out of me when I get home, bro. This is a whole pack of ramen I'm bringing him because why not? And it's out of my pocket too. What the fuck is this? Well, I guess it's the first real like nighttime riding that you guys get to see of me. Look at the clutch, guys. It's not engaging. Oh my God, that sounds so bad. Alright guys, we're at the home stretch. Let's go. Is that someone on the sidewalk? They better hear me. Yes, turn around, turn around. I'm coming towards you, kid. Alright guys, we are at the home stretch. I made it. I made it home. Alright guys, I made it home. I'm gonna go talk to you guys when I'm inside and put all this stuff down.
Hi, how are you?
And with that, guys, oh crap. And with that, guys, that is gonna be the end of today's video, guys. That is a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Today we went and had a little mini moto vlog, going to Winn-Dixie and getting some stuff, some ramen and this present for someone. So, alright, further ado, I'm gonna go eat this ramen up for the night. But before I do that, I want to tell you guys, thank you guys very much for the 300, not 300, close to 300 subs. We are super close. We're just 12 subs away, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, with that, guys, that's gonna be a wrap to today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. It was pretty fun, the whole train track situation, and how I almost died getting here. It being nighttime. Oh yeah, that's another thing. First time being out at night on camera. I've been doing that, you know, a lot, but like on camera, out on a motorized bike. So hope you guys enjoyed watching me go through that pain. I'm gonna go sleep. I'm tired, if you cannot tell. So again, appreciate for all the support, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.